Two guys built Meccha Chameleon in 2 months and sold 10 million copies of it. So I had 4 of the most powerful AIs that I could find rebuild the entire game from scratch. I gave each of them the same exact prompt, and the funniest part is that 2 of them cheated. And in the end, I'm going to play all 4 games that all 4 of these models have created to see which one of them can get as close as possible to the real thing. And for those of you that don't know, Meccha Chameleon is a really high trending game where you are like a 3D character guy, and then you have to jump onto a wall, and then you paint yourself over the wall or wherever it is that you're hiding, and then there's a guy that needs to find you, and your goal is to paint yourself so well into the wall that other people can't find you. And the 4 models that we're going to be putting up against each other for this are the 4 strongest models that you could possibly use. We have Grok 4.5 that just came out last week. We have Gemini 3.5 Flash, because Pro still isn't out yet. We have Fable 5, and we have GPT 5.6 Soul. And for all of these, we put them all on max ultra high thinking. And I gave them all the exact same prompt. And I said, okay, gang, we're going to be recreating 5 minutes of gameplay of the hit Steam game Meccha Chameleon. I linked the game here. I said, I want the game to be literally one of the real game, playable by me for 5 minutes. Use image gen to help you with the design, because this is Codex that has built-in image generation. And then I said, make this web-based, playable on browser, make the game called TikTok Chameleon, and make a GitHub for it. And then once again, I just linked the game here again. So we're going to go through Fable 5 first, then GPT 5.6, then we'll go through Gemini, then Grok 4.5. So this is the game that Fable 5 made with, remember, the exact same prompt that I gave every single model. Private room, customize. Okay, so you can change this. My name is Fable 5. What? Let's do a quick match. Let's see if this works. Okay, so it made a 2D version of the game. Oh. I have to color myself here. Oh. Okay, so you can see here and here and here, there are some people hiding. I did not play this right. Let me do that again. I didn't understand how to play this game. Let's do Candy Shop. Wow, we made 4 different maps. Hold on. Okay, so we're right here. Look, it doesn't color outside. That's actually pretty good. Oh my God, only 14 seconds? What are we thinking, bro? Oh God. Wait, I'm tripping. I did it wrong. I guess that's all I can do. The other ones have to be cheating, because how are they so well hidden and I'm not? Ah! Okay, they found me. I'm a seeker now. Okay, I'm seeking. Found you. There's more hidden here. I really can't see them. Okay, not bad. Fable 5, I will say it did like a 2D version of it, and it's really not supposed to be a 2D game, but for what it made, I guess it's not that bad. Okay, now let's go into what GPT 5.6 made. So again, same exact prompt, ultra thinking mode, 5.6 soul. Let's see what it created. Off the bat, you can kind of already tell the game design is a little better, but I say that and then it shows me matcha. Okay, we're definitely picking matcha. My wife loves matcha. Settings, master volume. Let's do seek mode first. Whoa! Hiders are painting. We have 21 seconds of time. Okay. WSD is move, click is fire, escape is menu. Okay, so I can't move or do anything for like a little bit of time. A search start. Okay, so I have to find people now. Check is fire, escape is menu. There's 5. Okay, well, there's one. This is inverted. I cannot play this way. Oh, they change colors back to gray when you find them. That's interesting. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God. Hey. Hunters win. Yeah, I couldn't shoot him. Oh, we won. I think 5.6 is doing a pretty good job. It is a fully 3D game. It works. Let's try to hide this time, though. Space is cling. E is paint. Oh. Q is clone. Oh, interesting. X is clear. E is copy. I don't know how to paint the rest of my body, though. There's a button to paint yourself. Hold on. I'm going to cheat and just rage quit. Let's mantle onto this. Okay, that's my clone. Space. E. Oh my God. Whoa. Oh, F is paint. Okay, let's do this. Oh my God. That's actually really good, I'm not gonna lie. These guys just suck at hiding. It's like playing with a bunch of little kids, bro. But when you like infect them, they actually do their job. Okay, GPT 5.6 did a pretty good job, I'm not gonna lie. So before we go into the other 2 models, I just want to bring up something that happened that was actually really funny. So Grok 4.5, like using it in the terminal is surprisingly, first of all, really pretty, and it's really fast. But it did something very interesting. It stole the work of Fable 5. I had to re-prompt Grok while I was doing this because it stole Fable 5's work and then just said it was done. Gemini and Grok, they both stole Fable 5's work, said they were done, and I had to redo them both. That's why we have 6 different things here instead of 4. And I will say Gemini, like using it in the terminal was really ugly. I downloaded anti-gravity. I downloaded the CLI for Gemini, and it was just like, I couldn't figure it out. There's no full permissions mode. I couldn't figure out like changing the model. There was like a lot of stuff that was really bad about it. So that being said, let's go into what Gemini made. It created this. So this is Vite though. Programming language is not the same as the first 2, but let's see what it made. Okay, I'm pressing my mouse. I'm moving WASD, moving the arrow key. I can't do anything. Even the timer on the top isn't working. What did it make? What the hell did it make? Okay, let's try something else. What the hell are we playing? Okay, this one you can move around and walk in. Oh my God. Oh, this is disorientating. I don't like that. Oh God. I can't see anything. I'm pressing all the buttons. None of the buttons do anything. Let's try one more thing. Let's try infection mode, but in the back rooms and as a seeker. What is this? Okay, so this is a light bulb, I guess. I don't like this. This is some backroom shit. Hold on. It literally says the back rooms. That's hilarious. Okay, let's try that again. Oh, okay. Press F for tools. F doesn't work. The map is back rooms. Time remaining is 5 minutes. The only buttons that work is 1, 2, and 3, 4. This doesn't work. The audio's there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can press it, but it's not doing anything. It did create the back rooms, I guess. Let's try one more thing. Let's try infection mode, but in the back rooms and as a seeker. So far, Gemini's getting cooked. It doesn't even work. So that's not good. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, so it's like I'm the neck of this creature. This looks like a nightmare. What the hell are we playing? F is supposed to do something, but it's not. I can't do this, guys. I'm gonna throw up. Okay, last but not least, let's go through Grok 4.5. Let's see what Grok 4.5 here made. I'm gonna name myself Grocky. Let's do Viral Studio. Let's ready up. Wait, this is much more responsive than even what GPT 5.6 made. Whoa. So crouch, stand, lay down, that works. We're a ball now. Let's jump. Wow, this is very responsive. Okay, so let's just stand here. I'm gonna press pink. Whoa, I don't know what it's doing, but it's doing so. It's painting me somehow. I'm not sure how. There's like, I have to press escape. Brush size. Ooh, I think it's working. Infected, you're a seeker now. Okay, now I'm inside of my guy once again. So that's interesting. I don't know what the plan is, but I'm in here. Why am I in him now? Not bad. It's using the emoji stuff. Let's do cat cafe and let's do infection. Oh my God, you are a seeker. Wait for the hunt. Okay, so I can't move. 4 people in here. The prep is 40 seconds? It's gonna take forever. By the way, I'm giving away a Mac Mini to any of my YouTube subs, school community members, or TikTok followers. So if you're a sub, you're automatically entered into that giveaway, just saying. I'm in first person POV now. So I need to find people. I found him. Wow, you guys suck. Okay, I think we've seen enough for this. Let's just try the last map though. Night market on basic. Let's see how this goes. Okay, night market is a night market, I guess. I think Grok 4.5 did a pretty good job, I'm not gonna lie. That being said, let's go through these again and let's see which one is truly the best. So this is the one we had with Fable 5. Fable 5 is in 2D. It kind of works, but it's not supposed to be 2D at all, so there's already major points taken off there. We had GPT 5.6. 5.6 looked really nice and it worked exactly how it was supposed to work. You could paint yourself, you could change stuff. That one worked well. Gemini was a nightmare. Actual nightmare fuel. I don't know what the hell it was thinking. And then Grok did kind of good as well. So I think I would say GPT 5.6 is the winner here. I think it did exceptionally well when it made this. It has audio. It looks nice. It has all the individual, minute, specific, detailed features that Grok didn't have. Although Grok 4.5 did a great job and it was actually super fast. So you guys tell me, which one do you think is the best? But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, you guys should definitely sub. I made a video before in the past like this about Minecraft, Rocket League, Power World, and Dark Souls. And we tested 5.6 Soul, Terra, and Luna in those. So go watch those videos and I'm gonna be making a lot more videos like this. And like I said, Mac Mini giveaway, random sub, random follower on TikTok, random school community member. I'm just gonna pick one at the end of the month. But yeah, thank you guys.